In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files in Google Drive 2024 step by step. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in so you can access your files. From the home view, head to My Drive. You can find it in the left sidebar or at the top as a navigation breadcrumb. This takes you to your main storage area where all your folders and files live. Next, locate your Documents folder and open it. If you have more than one folder with a similar name, choose the one that contains the files you want to work with. Once you're inside Documents, look for the three dots, also called More Actions. This menu gives you options for managing the folder and its contents. Choose Download. Google Drive will bundle the entire folder into a single zip file and start the download. Depending on the size of your folder, this may take a moment. When it finishes, you'll see the zip file in your computer's downloads location. If you plan to move files back into Drive, you can unzip that file first so everything is easy to upload and organized. Now return to My Drive. If you're still viewing a subfolder, click My Drive again to make sure you're at the top level of your storage. This helps you place your files exactly where you want them and avoids accidentally nesting them in the wrong folder. Open the folder where you want to save your files, for example, a folder named My Folder. Inside that folder, upload your files. You can do this by dragging and dropping the unzipped files or the folder from your computer directly into the browser window. Alternatively, use the upload option from the New button to select File Upload or Folder Upload. Folder Upload is useful if you want to